Jodifuro, kitchen tip namta ki Khubor Laitkam, Tigidon ki post ki balaj hapo West Jaintia Hill District ki bahap hapo ka RGSA under contractual basis. Kini gede contractual basis. Tega dai shisnem but larap shisnem badai kinsa continue kat kom ka jindon kam kini ki kam. Tegi badon ni qualification mat ki bakwa ban tab. Tesa tab ye kini ki post ki balaj hapo West Jaintia Hill District. The applicant should submit their application in standard form along with their biodata and self-attested testimonial, educational qualification, experience, 2 passport size photograph and address for communication to the office of the undersigned. They pila ban submit hapo DC office ne pila ban submit via email ro kane ladap ahne joy@yahoo.in Shinat ka PDF file then lapan compile lang baro te send. The last date ban send kadai 30 June 2023 up to 4:30 PM. The post kidon kinema name of post program assistant, one place of posting Namdong CNRD block, minimum qualification pidibendep yaka PG in MSW lane economics lane sociology lane agricultural economics lane rural development from any recognized university. Kano name pidibendep yaka PG. Experience minimum 2 or 3 years in related field. Remuneration kadai 25,000 per month. The second way account assistant come DO, one in each block. Kabahapa West Jaintia ma man kawai hapo kawai ka block. The place of posting all block haman ki block. The kanepde ka qualification minimum no graduate in commerce and 1 year PGDCA. Dep yaka graduate in commerce mat pidibendon ro yaka 1 year PGDCA from any recognized university. Kane ru experience minimum 2-3 years in related field. The remuneration kadai 4,000 shibanai. Application of candidate not supported when mark sheet certificate and experience shall be summarily rejected. The yaki application jung candidate ki bomdon yaki mark sheet yaki certificate but yaki experience certificate on sha reject by direct. Thank you.